Good morning, children. Welcome back to maths class. Children, in the last video, what we learned, children? How to find out decimal numbers and how to write place value of decimal numbers, right? And before decimal number, how we'll write the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, right? After decimal number, how we'll write? Tens, hundredth, right? So after that, what we learn, children? How to convert millimeter to centimeter, right? To convert millimeter to centimeter, we'll divide by 10 or multiply by 0.1. Okay, next one, how to represent decimal numbers on a number line, right? So after that, what we learn, children? How to convert decimals as fraction and fractions as decimals, right, children? After that, we started solving exercise part of 8.1, right, children? We solved only of. Today I am going to solve remaining questions. Write the following decimals as fraction. Reduce the fraction to lowest form. 0.6 and 13.7. I solve these two questions now. First question is 0.6. Children, as I told before, from right side, after one number, if I have decimal point, that means what is the denominator? 10, right? So 6 by 10. So what we did, children, they asked two questions. One is to convert this decimal number as a fraction and to reduce this fraction as lowest form. Okay, now we converted this decimal as fraction. Now we'll reduce this fraction as lowest form. 6 and 10, both numbers will come in which table? 2's, right? 2 into 1, 2, 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6, 2 4's are 8, 2 5's are 10. So I'll divide this. 2 5's are 10, 2 3's are 6. So now what is the reduced form? 3 by 5. So what is the fraction? 6 by 10. What is the reduced 10? 3 by 5. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. 13.7. So as I told before, after one number from right side, if we have decimal point, that means what is the denominator? 10. 137 by 10. Children, if I divide 137 by 10, we'll get the answer in the form of decimal number again. So I won't divide this. And what is the reduced form of this fraction, children? That is 137 by 10 only. I'll keep it as it is. Okay. Next one. Express the following as cm using decimals. 2 millimeter and 4 centimeter, 2 millimeter. I'll solve. Okay. First question, 2 millimeter. Children, in order to become 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, right, children? So to become 1 centimeter will require 10 millimeter, right? What is 10 millimeter? From here to here till this line, how many lines we have? 10, right? So that is millimeters. Okay. So to become 1 centimeter, how many millimeters we require? 10 millimeters. Okay. So to convert from millimeter to centimeter, I'll divide this millimeter by 10. Okay. Or I multiply by 0.1. Okay. By 10. Here I am dividing by 10. In the denominator, I have 1 0. That's why after one digit from the right side, in the numerator, I'll take decimal point. Next one, 4 centimeter, 2 millimeter. 4 centimeter. Children, here we have to observe the SI units. Here we have centimeter and here we have millimeter, right? For this, we no need to convert into centimeter. It's already in centimeter form. Only this part I'll convert. Okay. 4 centimeter plus 2 by 10. So I'm dividing this 2 by 10. So 2 by 10 means 0.2 centimeter. This will be equal to 4.2. Okay. See how to add this decimal number and this whole number. 4. See here you should not write 0.2. Okay. Here this is the ones now children. What is the place value of this 4? Ones. Right. What about this? This is ones, this is tens. In the place of ones, what I should write? 0.2. That's why 4 plus 0 is 4.2. Okay. Between which two whole numbers on the number line or the given numbers lie, which of these whole numbers is nearer the number? Here I am solving B and F. Okay. Children, see 5.1 means it will come between which two numbers children? See it will start 5.1 means after 5 only 5.1 will come. So 5. So this is less than 6, right? So I'll write 6. So it will come between 5 and 6. I'll mark here. This is B. Okay. Next F 4.9. So 4.9 means it will start from 4. So 4 and it is less than 5. I'll write it 5. So 4 and 5 will come. So 4.9 will come between 4 and 5. 4.9 means nearer to 5, right children? So F. Otherwise you can write the decimal number also here. Here why I wrote after 5 only? 5.1 means 5, after 5 it will come. So I wrote here. I marked here. Okay. Show the following numbers on the number line. Here I solve 2.5. Only D. Okay. Remaining will be homework. So children, before going to draw a number line, what I should do? I have to analyze between which two number this number lie. Okay. So 2.5 means it will start from 2 and it is less than 3. It's 2 and 3. Okay. Now here I drawn the number line. See, even though it is 2.5, I should start from 0, 0, 1, 2. Children, within 1 unit, for every number, we will have 10 lines. Okay, that is 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter will be equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, so in between 2 and 3, how many lines I should draw? 9. Including 3, it will be 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, 3. Right children? So where is our question? 2.5. It's after 2.4. So I'll mark this. Okay. Next one. Write the decimal number represented by the points A, B, C, D on the given number line. So children, as I told before only, between 1 unit, how many lines will be there? 10. Okay, here also we have 10, here also we have 10. If you want, you can count. Okay, so children, where is our A? After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, that means what is the number of this line? Where is A? 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. What is the value? 0.8. Children, remaining will be homework. Okay. length of Ramesh's notebook is 9 centimeter 5 millimeter. What will be its length in centimeter? So, length of Ramesh notebook is how much, children? 9 centimeter 5 millimeter. So, here I have centimeter as I said it. So, I won't convert this part. Only this part I will convert it into centimeter. Okay. 9 centimeter plus, children, as I told you before, to convert millimeter to centimeter, what should I do? I'll divide this number by 10 or multiply by 0.1. So here I divided by 10. Okay. 9 centimeter I'll write as it is, plus here I have 1 0, that means after 5 I have to take point, decimal point, right? So here after 5 I took decimal point. Now this is in centimeter. Now I add. See, what is the place value of this number? Ones, right? What about this? See, before decimal point, what? Ones. In the place of ones, what we have? 0. So, I'll write here 9. What is the place value of 9? Ones. Here, what is the place value of 0? Ones. So, in the below 9, I'll write 0, decimal point 5. So, I'll write 5 as it is, decimal point 9 plus 0 will be 9. Okay. So, 9.5 centimeter. Therefore, the length of Ramesh notebook is 9.5 centimeter. Okay. Till then, take care and don't forget to rewatch all the videos whenever you get time. No need to worry at the time of exam, children. Take care. Have a good day. Thank you, children.